Up to date on the weather forecast. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXL36 serving Las Vegas and the greater Las Vegas Valley in southern Nevada. The station broadcasts on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz and is programmed at the National Weather Service office in Las Vegas. Current weather information from the National Weather Service is also available on the internet at weather.gov. Again, that address is weather.gov. And now the weather tonight, mostly clear. Lows 42 to 47. Southwest winds up to 5 miles an hour, shifting to the northwest after midnight. This is a weekly test of the emergency alert system from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Las Vegas, Nevada. This system is used to provide warnings and essential safety information during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency, you would receive official information, news, or instructions from the station. This concludes the weekly test of the Southern Nevada Emergency Alert System. The forecast for western Clark and southern Lake County. West of today, mostly sunny. High 63 to 66. South winds up to 10.